G'day guys, welcome to Craig's Home Machine Shop Tool of the Week. This week we're going to do a quick review, and it'll only take a minute or two, of this Vevor dividing head I bought online about 6 months ago for about 400 bucks Australian. I'll pull the camera off the stand there, we'll have a look at what you get and I'll tell you what I reckon about it. So this is the dividing head here that comes from Vevor. Not sponsored at all, just giving you a quick rundown on what I think of it. A little bit of surface rust from sitting out in the workshop, but as I said, I've had it probably 6 months now. Nice looking little chuck and everything, 3-draw chuck on it. It's got a degree wheel in here so you can spin it round and stop it where you like. And give you a look on the side. Put it over like that. You can see here it's got a protractor here as well, so you can alter the angle of that while it's on the mill, up and down. So it does all sorts of good things, this. I've used it heaps of times. So anyone that follows my channel would have seen me make this die holder the other week. I used this dividing head to cut that hex in the top of that like that. I used the dividing head to cut those slots in there. There's 12 of them done at 30 degrees each on here. And for those of you that don't know how this thing works, it sits on your milling machine like that. It's bolted down under here, and you spin this handle here and the whole thing moves, as you can see. Anyway, just check out the video I made on making this and you'll see it in action. Let's check out what other bits they give you in the box. Here we got chuck key, self-explanatory. We've got 2 more of these discs that go on it, so that if you use this little manual with the table in the back of it, you can cut about 4 million different hole shapes. And this thing, some sort of little doggy thing, don't know really how you really work that. Gives you a dead centre, always come in handy for something. 3 external or reverse jaws for the chuck. A tailstock that I'll probably never use, but you never know. Could come in handy. Gives you one of these things. Absolutely no idea what that is. Spring, same, no idea. These little bits, they go under your dividing head so that you can locate it easily in your lathe. They fit into that slot and screw into there. Unfortunately, those are a fraction big for my mill, but it doesn't matter. I'll just mill them down to size. Gives you a bit of practice. And yeah, that's about it. So I told you this was going to be a quick rundown on the Vevor dividing head, and it was. Now, what do I think of it? To be honest with you, this thing is probably the best investment that I've put into my workshop since I bought that mill. Since I've got it, I've used it heaps of times. I haven't used it to any technical degree yet, but it's always going to be here for when I do. But for what it is, 400 bucks delivered to your door in Australia, get one. So there you have it, folks. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.